Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.
Hello, I'm Andrew Laidley with your Business Bites.
As the frequency of oil spills continue to threaten the ecology of the Caribbean, it is also becoming a strain on the public purse. According to the group of experts on the scientific aspects of marine environmental protection 2007, there are an estimated 250 oil spills in the Gulf of Mexico and the Caribbean Sea annually, costing the region billions in cleanup and compensation, damage to agricultural lands, fishery, and wildlife. The Bank of Jamaica BOJ is building out an ecosystem of digital wallet providers, which will include both commercial banks and authorized payment service providers. A plan to launch its digital currency Jamdex for national use this Friday is awaiting the engagement of more members in the distribution network. Currently, National Commercial Bank NCB is the only wallet provider operating in the market through its digital wallet Link.
And those are your Business Bites. I'm Andrew Laidley.
Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.